Okay, so we start lah. Okay, guys. So can you all see my screen? Okay, before I share lah, stop present first. Okay, guys. Before I start, can you all tell me what do you know about this chapter? I asked a general question. Give me keywords regarding Form 4 Chapter 9, Solution of Triangle. Form 4 Bab 9, penyelesaian segitiga. Cuba bagi perkataan yang kamu faham tentang bab ni. Any words that come to your mind. Apa-apa perkataan yang kamu ingat tentang bab ni. Anyone? Try and see. Okay, yes. Sign. Okay, some more. Any words, guys? Apa-apa perkataan. Yes. Triangle, segitiga. Cos. Okay, can. More specific, guys. Luas. Yes, very good. Panjang sisi. Yes, very good. Okay, so basically all your answer is, yeah, theorem Pythagoras also get. Yes. Sudut opposite. Yes, correct. Okay. Yes. So these are some of the example. Beberapa contoh. Okay, so guys, in this chapter basically got 3 parts only. Tiga bahagian saja bab ni. Okay, first part, sine rule. Second part, cosine rule. Third part, area of triangle. Okay, kamu kena tahu petua sinus, kosinus dan cara kira luas segitiga. Itu saja kamu kena tahu bab ni. Only these 3 things. So exam, mereka akan tanya berkenan 3 ni saja dalam paper 2 section C. Okay, paper 2 section C only these 3 things. Okay, that's all. Alright, welcome for those that just joined, selamat datang. So for those that just joined, you can continue share the link to your friend also, okay? Boleh kongsi link pada sesiapa ambil at Maths. Today we are learning Form 4 Chapter 9, Solution of Triangle, penyelesaian segitiga. Okay? Alright, so now before I really start, I will show you guys some simulation regarding this topic. Okay, just for you all to understand better. Okay, untuk faham lebih bagus. So you guys can see over here. Wait, Okay. So can you guys see my screen? Can you comment, guys? Boleh nampak screen saya? Yes or no? Can Okay, guys. So if you see my screen over here, we are talking about sine rule. Can you all see it? Petua sinus. So guys, when you talk about sine rule, right? The formula that you must remember is this one. Okay, inilah rumus dia. Okay, A over sine A equal to B over sine B equal to C over sine C. Okay, but guys, when we solve NMATS question, do we use this whole formula? Yes or no? Adakah kita gunakan seluruh rumus ni bila selesaikan soalan NMATS? Cuba jawab. Yes or no? Very good. Okay, you won't use this formula, guys. Okay, you will only use 2 parts. Kamu akan guna 2 bahagian saja. Okay, A over sine A equal to B over sine B. That's all. Okay, kamu akan guna 2 ni saja. Okay, because you only need 2 pairs of angles and lengths. Kamu kena ada 2 pasangan sudut dan sisi untuk guna petua sinus ni. Faham tak? Okay, sine rule only 2 pairs of length and angle. So that is your requirement. Okay, apa yang kamu nak bila selesaikan soalan. Okay, so guys, you can see over here this triangle. Okay, this is a random triangle lah. So guys, I just want to show you how the quantity change when we change certain thing. Okay, bila kita ubah certain perkara, macam mana dia ubah. Okay, so let's say guys, I change angle A. Sekarang saya nak ubah sudut A. So guys, you predict and see. Common sense. Kamu jangka. Let's say saya nak tarik A ni ke atas. I want to pull A above. So can you tell me, sudut kat A ni jadi lebih besar atau kecil? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Let's say I want to pull this letter A above. So this angle here become larger or smaller? Tell me. Yes, very good. Okay, so you guys common sense bagus lah. Okay, so you can see over here, guys. Okay, you will actually become smaller. Okay, you will get smaller one. Wait, let me show you this one. Okay, originally like this, right? Okay, so you see what happened to angle A, guys. Tengok. Bila saya tarik atas, dia semakin kecil kan? It becomes smaller, the value. So correct. Okay, but guys, what do you notice else? What other things do you notice? Okay, ini asal lah, original. When I pull this up, right, what happened to B and C angle? Can you all predict? Apa jadi pada sudut B dan C? Lebih besar atau lebih kecil? Kalau saya tarik A ni atas. I pull A on top. Yes, very good. Okay, A, B and C will become bigger. Okay, can you see sudut B, guys? Tengok B. Nilai dia semakin besar. It become bigger. Okay, so this is one of the relationship lah that you can understand through sine rule. Okay, another thing, guys. Let's say now I pulling up A also. Saya tarik A ke atas. Can you all tell me what happened to the B value? Cuba jangkakan. Will B value increase or decrease? Adakah nilai B ni lebih besar atau kecil? Kalau saya tarik A ni atas. I want to pull A above now. Yes, very good. Okay, you can see over here. It become bigger. Dia semakin besar. So guys, automatically, when one quantity change, right, in the formula, it will affect all the other quantity. Kalau satu daripada quantity berubah, semua yang lain akan berubah. Okay, example. Let me try to modify a bit. Okay, we show everything. Tunjuk semua. Okay, easier for you to see. Okay, guys. So now, wait, let me think and see. Okay, so guys, predict for me. What will happen to A if I pull B to the right hand side? Kalau saya tarik B ni ke sebelah kanan, apa jadi pada nilai A? Cuba bagi tahu. What will happen? Yes, very good. Okay, common sense A will become smaller lah. So guys, kalau A ni lebih kecil, sudut yang bertentangan dengan yang ni, the opposite angle A, can you all predict for me? Does it become bigger or smaller if I pull this to the right hand side? Kalau saya tarik B ni ke kanan, so A ni lebih besar atau kecil? Cuba jawab. Sudut ni, the angle. Does it become larger or smaller if I pull this B to the right hand side? Okay, we see kita nampak sama-sama. Okay guys, can you see? Smaller guys, dia semakin kecil. So can you see guys the relationship? Boleh tengok hubungan tak? A dengan sin A. Maksudnya kalau A tu berkurang, sin A juga berkurang. Faham tak guys? Can you see? When your length is shorter, your angle is smaller. Opposite angle and side. Sisi dan sudut bertentangan. That's why kamu ada rumus macam ni. You have the formula of sine rule. Okay, can you see when I pull to the left, A increase, sudut A pun bertambah. So this is the sine rule. Ini adalah petua sinus. Okay, so guys, let's say, let me think and see. Okay, let's say guys, I pull C to A. Saya tarik sini ke A. So cuba bagi tahu saya, apa jadi pada sudut B? Sudut B ni bertambah atau berkurang? Does B angle increase or decrease if I pull C towards A? Okay, we check and see kita tengok. Yes, very good. Okay, the answer is it becomes smaller. So nampak tak guys? Kalau B, panjang B berkurang tu yang ni, sudut juga berkurang. Okay, the shorter the length of your B, the smaller the angle. So that's why your formula like this lah guys. Ini rumus kamu. Faham tak? So now do you understand the sine rule better? Yes or no? Kamu faham petua ni lebih bagus tak? So basically it's talking about the relationship of opposite side and opposite angle. Kamu kena bandingkan sudut dan sisi bertentangan. Macam ni. Ataupun macam ni. Kamu boleh bandingkan mana-mana kamu suka. Okay, just choose any pair of angle and side that you like. And then you will get this formula. Kamu akan dapat rumus ni. Okay, so are you clear guys? Everything clear? Okay, so now we come to the cosine rule guys. Kita lihat petua cosinus pula. Okay, so guys, as you all know cosine formula, you have many formula, right? Kamu ada banyak rumus macam ni. 1, 2, 3. Okay, but actually you just need to use one lah. Okay, guna yang in general. You follow this formula. Okay, so that not confused. Okay, now guys, you predict for me Kamu jangkakan. Okay, so let me think and see. Okay, let's say I pull C above. Saya tarik sini ke atas. Okay, so can you all tell me what will happen to this length? Apa jadi pada panjang ni? Sorry, wait. Oh no, what happened to the angle? Apa jadi pada sudut ni guys? Sorry. What will happen to the C angle if I pull C on top? Kalau saya tarik sini ke atas. Kecil lah? Yes, correct. Okay, boleh nampak kan? Dia semakin mengecil. Okay, become smaller. Okay, we start from here, easier to see. So it becomes smaller. So tengok guys, nilai yang berubah. You see what is the values that are changing. You see B and A also is changed. Kedua-dua ni berubah. And then you can see that your angle also increase. A and B. So guys, understand right? Kalau B ni bertambah, automatically sudut B akan bertambah. Because we know sine rule. Petua sinus dah bagi tahu yang tu. Okay, sine rule tell you that the opposite side increase, opposite angle increase. You see guys, you compare the A and A. Opposite side increase, opposite angle increase. Concept sama saja. Do you understand guys? So you can see from the formula here lah. Okay, how the quantity change. Boleh faham guys? Do you understand about cosine rule? So you guys can play lah with the triangle however you like. Okay, boleh main macam mana kamu suka. Okay, so that you guys can understand the relationship better. Okay, so you can see here, if I pull A to the right, kalau saya tarik A ni ke kanan kan, B ni akan berkurang. Okay, the B value decrease. So you see over here. But guys, you see one thing kalau nilai B berkurang sudut B ni dia tak dipengaruhi. Is not affected. Okay, usually the one that is affected is this one, this one, this one, and this one. These four things. Only four benda ni akan terpengaruh bila kamu tarik B. Yang ni dengan yang ni pemalah is constant. So only four things will be changing here. So this is basically your cosine rule. Okay, do you understand guys? Boleh faham? Okay, that's why you see that your formula, right? Kamu ada 4 pemboleh ubah. Am I right? A, B, C, A. Okay, why? Kenapa macam tu? Because there are 4 things that are changing over here. 4 perkara tengah berubah. Okay, so this is how cosine rule works lah. Okay, clear guys? Cosine rule? Okay, alright, so now we will see another one called as Heaven's formula. Okay, have you all heard this guys? Rumus Heaven. Rumus Heaven ni guna untuk apa? Cuba bagi tahu. Heaven's formula you guys used to find what? Yes, very good guys. Area of triangle you can also find using Heaven's formula. Boleh guna rumus Heaven. Okay, so Heaven's formula is actually something like this. Okay, inilah rumus dia. Okay, so usually you guys must find the semi-perimeter first. Kamu kena cari quantity ni. Then only you can sub inside the formula. Okay, so another formula is of course half AB sin C lah. Macam ditunjukkan. Okay, so now you see guys, how the area change. Okay, kamu nampak macam mana luas ni berubah. So guys, kalau saya tarik A ni ke bawah, I pull A downwards. Can you all predict and see what will happen to this area? Increase or decrease? Tell me. Kalau A ni saya tarik ke bawah, I pull this down. Okay, sama? Lagi orang? What will happen to the area? Apa jadi pada luas? Kalau saya tarik A ni ke bawah, I pull A downward. Actually very common sense one. Kurang kan? Okay, you see. Yes. Okay, it's decreasing. Tengok. So the area is actually going down. Okay, now let's say I pull C to the right hand side. What will happen to the area guys? Saya tarik C ni ke kanan. Cuba kamu predict apa jadi pada luas ni. Tambah ke kurang? I pull C to the right. Okay, we see Yes. Okay, you can see the area also decrease. Semakin berkurang. Okay, so what is the reason that the area decrease? Okay, basically it's because your B and A value is decreasing. Okay, nilai A dan B ni berkurang. That's why totally area kamu pun berkurang. Yes. Okay, your length will affect your area because your formula is half times B times A times sin C. Sebab sekarang saya ubah sin C. I'm changing the angle over here. So when the angle become larger, this value will decrease. Dua-dua nilai ni berkurang. So finally, my total area also decrease. Okay. So same for B. If I pull B to the right, to the left, area also decrease. Luas berkurang. Okay, but now guys, let's say let me think and see. Okay, let's say I change point B to the right. Saya tarik B ni ke kanan. Cuba kamu ramalkan Apa jadi pada luas? What happened to the area if I change my B to right hand side? Okay, let's see. Yes, correct. Do you guys see it? So why the area increase? Kenapa sudut bertambah? Because your C and A value increase. Okay, originally your C and A value is 710. Now you see your length 12, 16, 12, 16. So this is an increase, penambahan. Okay, so do you understand Heaven's formula? Boleh dapat guys? Okay, all right. So basically these are the simulations lah guys. I want to show you all. Okay, so do you all understand all the three? Boleh faham ketiga-tiga? Okay, so if you understand, now we will come to the lesson lah. Okay, hopefully the simulation help you understand better. Okay, because usually I think you guys like simulation to understand better, right? Compared to just reading notes. Baca nota tu bosan. If you have simulation, it's much more interesting. Okay, so now you guys focus on the tablet. Okay, so now, wait, guys. Okay, correct. Okay, so guys, so now we will enter the second last chapter of AdMaths. Okay, so basically, I give you all a quote. There are no shortcuts to any places worth going. So means what? If you guys want to achieve your goal, there is no shortcut. Kalau nak dapat matlamat kamu dalam SPM, tak ada jalan pintas. Okay, you have to work hard for it. Okay, so this is the goal over here. I mean the quote over here. Okay, all right. So now guys, in solution of triangle, let me go direct to the point. I show you a simpler form of notes. Okay, we see this one guys. This one is much easier to understand. Okay, so guys, you can see solution of triangle, penyelesaian segitiga sudah dirumuskan kat sini. Okay, it's already summarized over here. Okay, wait, guys. Got people keep on request want to join. Okay. Guys, for those that just joined, you can also continue share the link to your friend. You can make it 100 people also if you want. 100 orang pun boleh. Continue share the link to your friend who take AdMaths. Nak pecah record hari ni dah. Okay, so now, solution of triangle. You actually learn 4 parts. The last part is actually application, aplikasi. Application means basically you apply all the concepts that you learn to daily life. Daily life situation lah, related to triangle. So usually those kind of question are kebat. Okay? Alright, so now guys, your sine rule. The most important thing, right guys, if you do length over side, okay, length divide angle, panjang bahagi sudut, yang kanan pun kena sama, panjang bahagi sudut. Faham tak? Okay, you cannot like A over sine A equal to sine B over B. If you write like this wrong, guys, this is the wrong sine rule. Petua sinus kamu salah kalau kamu tulis macam ni. Okay, take note. You must always compare the ratio of length to angle or angle to length. Dua-dua pun boleh. Both also can. Okay, so you don't tell me this is the only formula, guys. Kamu ada dua rumus sebenarnya. You have 2 options for sine rule. Okay, you can choose this one or this one. Dua-dua pun boleh. It depends on your preference. Okay, so don't be so strict lah to one method. Okay, jangan fix minda kamu kena guna satu kaedah saja. Okay, you must be flexible to many methods. Okay, all right. So now guys, the next thing, cosine rule, petua cosinus. So even cosine rule, you just need to use one formula guys. Kena guna satu rumus saja. No need to memorize all 3. Jangan pergi hafal 3-3 ni. Okay, just use one. Very simple one. Okay, as long as you know how to apply. Okay, I teach you guys a simpler method lah. Maybe I do a drawing for you. It's much easier for you to understand. Okay, guys. For sine rule, you focus here. Okay, so let's say I got A, B, C. Okay, so guys, tell me, what is this length? Apa label kita bagi untuk panjang yang tu? Coba type. What is the length label we give? AC. So what is the symbol in the middle? Anyone? Yes, B, right? Guys, tak ada sign sebab sekarang kita bincang panjang, length. So just B. Okay? Alright, so then kat sini saya letak huruf apa? What letter? Yes, very good. Okay, and then this one is C lah. Okay, so now the most important method in sine rule, petua sinus, you must remember the word cross. Maksudnya silang. Silang maksudnya macam ni lah. So you remember this technique. C compare with C. B compare with B. Kamu bandingkan saja huruf sama. Okay? So you will get the formula. C over sin C equal to B over sin B. Faham tak guys? Do you understand? So this is how you can understand the question easily. Boleh faham dengan senang. Just use the cross method. Okay? Alright, so now cosine rule. Petua cosinus got a better thing for you guys. Ada sesuatu yang lebih bagus. Okay, let's say my triangle is like this. Same also. Okay, so now, okay, for cosine rule, right guys, let's say they ask you, they want you to find the angle here. Mereka nak kamu cari sudut theta. Let's say this is the question. So guys, very simple. What you need to do is, you must just draw stickman. Do you understand what is stickman guys? Kamu semua faham tak perkataan ni? I think you guys when primary school always use this, right? Stickman. You must know how to draw stickman. Stickman basically show you human. Am I right? Dia tunjuk manusia. So this is what you call as stickman. So whenever they ask you find the angle theta, kamu letak stickman kat situ. Senang. You put the stickman over here. So these are the legs. Ini adalah kaki stickman. Faham tak? So you already know lah what is the length you need. Kamu kena ada panjang yang ni, panjang yang ni. And of course sudut yang ni lah kamu nak cari. Okay, and then of course you must have this one also. A. Okay, so that's why your formula, you will get A square. Okay, kamu kena mula dengan yang bertentangan dengan sudut. You start your formula with the angle, the side opposite to the angle. So equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Faham tak guys? Do you understand? So you can use the stickman. Mana sudut tu kamu letak stickman. Just put the stickman at the angle. Okay? Alright, so for area, let's say for area my triangle like this guys. A, B, C. So guys, triangle, luas segitiga also you can use stickman. So guys, they ask you A equal to half AB sin C, right? This formula. Okay, so you can find the area. You just put the stickman over here. You draw the stickman. So these are the legs. Ini kaki dia. Faham tak? Do you understand? So means that you must know this length, you must know this length, and you must know this angle. Kamu perlu ada 3 informasi. 3 information. Okay? Are you clear guys on all these concepts? Can you respond a bit? Boleh faham apa yang diterangkan? Can lah. So next time when you see SOT, you direct think of stickman. Okay? Most likely you will use it for cosine rule and area of triangle. Okay, kamu akan guna untuk dua ni saja. Okay? Alright. So now, okay, so area of triangle also same. You have 3 formula, but no need to memorize. Tak perlu hafal. Just remember the basic. Half AB sin C. Okay, the rest mereka ubah saja berdasarkan kehendak soalan. Okay, you just modify the formula based on question. That's all. Okay, and then of course guys, don't forget your basic. The basic formula for area of triangle is half base height. Okay guys, may I ask you, this formula for what type of triangle we can use? Apa jenis segitiga? Kita boleh guna setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. Very important guys. You must differentiate these two. Kamu kena bezakan yang ni. Okay, some more. Half base times height. What type of triangle is it? Apa jenis segitiga? Anyone else? Do you remember? Yes. You must remember guys. It must be sudut tegak. Means that your height is perpendicular to the base. Ketinggian tu kena serenjang dengan tapak. Then only you can use this formula to find area. Okay, but I ask you guys, if this triangle, saya nak cari luas, can I use half AB sin C? Yes or no? Adakah saya boleh guna rumus ni untuk kira luas segitiga macam ni? Tell me, yes or no? Think and see. Segitiga macam ni boleh guna tak setengah AB sin C? Sama-sama, I need your response. Saya perlukan yes or no. Yes. Okay, confident. Yes. Boleh guys. No problem one. Okay, because as long as you have two sides and one angle, kamu ada yang ni, dan sudut yang ni, bolehlah guna rumus ni. You can use this formula, no problem. Okay, but let's say I change my triangle, guys. Saya ubah segitiga saya. Okay, let's say my triangle is like this now. Okay, let's say 65 and then 53 and then maybe let me count saya kena kira 62. Okay, so guys, if this kind of triangle, can we use half times base times height? Yes or no? Adakah kita boleh guna rumus ni? Anyone? Yes. So you can see the difference, right? Boleh nampak beza kan? Usually half times base times height is for a flat triangle. Segitiga tu kena mendata. It means the base is like horizontal. Tapak tu mendata. Okay? So for this kind of triangle, we usually use half AB sin C. So this is the concept. Okay? Any problems, guys? Ada apa-apa? Masih blur? Anything you want to ask? Ada apa-apa soalan? Nana? Okay. So next thing we come to, okay, very important also is your ambiguity case. Okay, guys, this one, right? Always they like to ask in paper 2 section C. Betul? Selalu akan keluar satu soalan. Lakarkan satu segitiga yang berbeza. Draw a different type of triangle. Usually 1 mark or 2 marks, I think. So you must know how to draw. Okay, and you must know how to find the angle. Kena cari sudut. Okay, so what is the tips? Basically, if you see that angle A is an acute angle, sudut tirus, okay, and then the height of the triangle, tinggi, segitiga tu, is less than BC and is less than AB. So you can see here, right? This height. Ini lebih kurang berbanding yang ni. Dan juga lebih kurang berbanding yang ni. So when you see these two conditions, right, guys, means that ambiguous case exists. Case ambiguity ni ada. So guys, I ask you lah, if you guys very pro in English, what is the meaning of ambiguous? Can anyone tell me? If you understand the word ambiguous, you will understand the whole situation. Apa maksud perkataan ni dalam BI? Ambiguous. Have you all heard? Try to explain to me. Explain in term of as an English student. Terangkan saya sebagai seorang murid yang ambil bahasa Inggeris. Apa maksud ambiguous? What's the meaning? Describe in your own words, guys. Guna perkataan sendiri. Don't need to see admaths. Jangan fikir admaths sekarang. Now I ask you general question. Soalan am. So anyone? What's the meaning? Ambiguous. Try and see. Give me one word answer so can. Satu perkataan pun boleh. Anyone? Pro English over here. Siapa bagus bahasa Inggeris? Yes, right? Yes, you can say not obvious. Correct. Dia tidak apa nak kata tidak jelas. Itu maksud ambiguous. Tidak jelas. Okay, so guys, when it's not obvious, will you have one answer or two answer? Logic. Adakah kamu akan ada satu jawapan atau dua jawapan? Kalau dia tak jelas. Bagi tahu saya. Yes. Okay, of course, if it's not clear, you will have two answer lah. Yes. That's why you must draw two triangle lah. Kamu kena ada dua segitiga. So this is what they are talking about. Ambiguous case. Means you are not sure. Tak tentu. Itu maksud dia. Okay. So you can always have a smaller triangle inside the larger triangle. Ada segitiga kecil di dalam segitiga besar. Okay. So guys, you must understand the concept. Always remember the concept of ambiguous is you must form isosceles triangle. Ingat, kamu kena bentuk segitiga sama kaki. Bila dia suruh lakarkan satu segitiga lain dalam bab ni. When they ask you draw a different triangle, try to find how to get an isosceles triangle. Usually the question will test you on this. Am I right? Kamu kena guna segitiga yang ni. So always think of this. Okay, so you can see that BC1, C2, isosceles triangle. Segitiga sama kaki. So means that these two angles are the same lah. Sama sudut. Okay. Are you clear, guys, on your ambiguous? Any problems? Should be okay, right? So this is the concept of ambiguous. All right. Okay, so the last part that you guys learn in this topic is about 3D. Okay, so 3D, right? Usually, okay, first of all, who here cannot imagine 3D solution of triangle? Comment. I want to see the majority. Type me. Siapa tak boleh bayangkan soalan ni kalau dia keluar 3D? SOT. Okay, some more? The rest? Got a lot lah. Ada banyak orang kan? Okay, so usually, right, when this case comes, what you need to do is you choose the other question. You all know that this one come out in section C paper 2, right, guys? Confirm one. Section C paper 2 wajib keluar this question. So means that you do the other question. For batch 07, you can do linear programming. You can do index number. Choose the other two. Pilih yang lain dua. Let's say kamu tak boleh bayangkan 3D. Okay? Are you clear, guys? You must smart when you answer admaths. Kena bijak untuk memaksimumkan markah. You must score the maximum one. So why you want to attempt a difficult question? Maybe you might not get 10 marks. Better do another question where you confirm get 10 marks. Betul? Kamu pilihlah soalan kamu 100% sure. Yang ni saya buat confirm 10 markah. Berbanding yang ni maybe kamu akan dapat contoh 7 markah, 7 mark. Which one better, guys? 10 mark or 7 mark? Which one you all want? Kamu semua nak apa? Tentunya 10/10 kan? So be smart when you choose. Pilih secara bijak. Okay? But if you can imagine 3D, kalau boleh bayangkan 3D, is okay. Go on. Buat soalan ni. It's all up to you. Okay? Alright. So today, right, the questions that we discuss, we will focus mainly on 3D. Kita akan lihat banyak soalan 3D. Because I know you guys' weakness is the 3D. Am I right? So now, we will try to discuss all the trial question from 2024. Okay? So now focus, kita bincang soalan trial 2024. Okay, sama-sama. So, this is your chance lah to go through all the trial question. Okay, so we start with the first question. Okay, wait. Okay, so now the question is calculate the length of the required fence. Mereka nak hitungkan panjang pagar. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so they say along BC. So BC is this one. Okay, guys. So means that you must find the length of BC. Am I right? Kamu kena cari panjang BC lah. So guys, how are you going to find BC? Can anyone tell me? Okay, so you got this information. Sin BAC equal to 12/13. This is the only information that you have. So anyone? What am I going to do first? First step. Langkah pertama. Tell me. What do you find first? Kamu kena cari apa dulu? So anyone? Come on. Try and see. 90 degrees. Okay. Okay, but that one is not your starting point over here. You must start with something else. Yes. Which angle? Can you all more specific? Sudut apa? Kamu semua kena cari. Yes, very good. Remember, guys, at maths, whenever they give any information in the question, try to use it. Kena guna semua info dalam soalan. Okay, because all the information the question give you is definitely you're going to use somewhere. Kamu akan guna kat mana-mana bahagian. Must use. Okay, so this is the tips. Okay, so basically you just press calculator lah. So shift sign 12/13. Okay, so you will get 67.38 for BAC. Okay, tekan calculator saja. So 67.38 is this one. Okay, so now very simple, right? So may I know what is the rule we use, guys, to find BC? Apa petua kita? Think and see. You got only two rules, guys. Sine rule, cosine rule. So BC, what is the rule we use? Come on. Yes. Okay, very good. Cosine rule. Okay, petua cosinus. Okay, so your formula is BC square equal to AB square plus AC square minus 2AB AC cos BAC. Okay, do you guys understand the formula? Boleh dapat rumus dia guys? So then you just substitute lah all the information. Okay, gantikan rumus saja. Okay, so when you substitute, you will get this answer. Okay, so inilah jawapan dia. Okay, unit is important guys in this chapter. If got unit, kena letak unit. Okay, so in this case is km. Okay, based on the question, so you must put km. Okay, are you clear guys? Question A, any problems? Very straightforward, right? Soalan A. Usually this chapter very straightforward one guys. Dia senang kalau kamu tahu hukum. Okay, so now they ask you to count BCA. Okay, so means that you must count this one. Okay, so what is this angle? So how are we going to do this? Okay, so what rule? Always I'll ask you that. Apa petua kamu kena guna over here? Anyone? Yes, you must use petua sinus. Okay, sine rule. Very good. Okay, because just now you get the BC, right? Okay, BC just now you get 0.2896. So guys, opposite. Okay, this angle just now we found, right? It was, let me check, 67.38. So then opposite length, opposite angle. This is sine rule. Sudut dan sisi bertentangan. So you just need to apply sine rule. So sine rule is like this. Okay, so then you just press calculator, dapat jawapan. Okay, so you just 0.2 times sine 67.38 bahagi 0.2896. Shift sign, jawapan. So you will get this answer. Okay, any problems? So these 4 marks is basically bonus lah guys. Sorry, 5 marks. 5 markah. 5 markah ni bonus lah. It's very simple. Okay, all right. So next one. This is the last question. They ask you, area of FCG equal to ADE. Okay, this is an important information. FCG equal to ADE. Okay, I rub everything first so that easier. Okay, so FCG, ADE. All right. So now guys, the question is you must count GC. Kamu kena cari panjang yang ni. So guys, may I know which triangle do we start first? Kita kena mula dari segitiga mana? GFC or DAE? Tell me. DAE or FCG? Anyone? Okay, sama. Come on. Kita kena mula soalan ni dari segitiga mana? Yes. Okay, remember guys, we must start from DAE. Very good. Okay. Why DAE? Can you all tell me reason? Kenapa kita kena mula dengan DAE? Apa sebab kamu? Whenever you say something in admaths, you must always have a reason one. Kena ada sebab. Very good. That is the actual answer. It has more info. Am I right guys? Dia ada lebih info. Kamu ada yang ni, kamu ada sudut juga. 67.38. So guys, half AB sin C. Okay, because question talking about area, luas. Okay, so you can count the area already. Okay, and then they say luas kedua-dua ni sama. So means that FCG also equal to the answer. Sama dengan jawapan yang ni. Half 0.13, 0.06, and also sine 67.38. Okay, so now, okay guys, you tell me FCG triangle. What type of triangle is this? Can you all tell me? Apa jenis segitiga? FCG. Focus and see. Okay, another name. Satu lagi nama untuk segitiga ni. Kalau saya tak mau sudut tegak. I don't want right angle triangle. Another type of name that you can give. Satu lagi nama untuk segitiga yang ni. Yes, isosceles, right? Sama kaki. Okay, because this is 45, this is 45. So now you want to find GC. So this is isosceles. Okay, so you can use the concept of isosceles. Okay, so GC, basically you will write X lah. Okay, kamu akan tulis sebagai X. Wait lah guys. Wait. Can we assume as isosceles? Okay. Over here, right, guys, you cannot assume as isosceles. Okay, sorry. Just now I made mistake also. You cannot assume as isosceles, guys. Tak boleh anggap sama kaki. Sebab soalan tak bagi tahu apa-apa. Okay, the question didn't tell you anything. Okay, so you need to think of another method. Kamu kena fikir cara lain. Okay, so now, if you think generally how to count FCG, okay, you can use half times FG times GC. Am I right? Sama dengan luas yang ni lah. Okay, it's equal to this whole area. Kira nilai dia. Okay, so the question is find GC. So maksudnya kamu kena ada panjang FG. Am I right? You must find FG length. Okay, just now you have the angle. Am I right? Kamu ada sudut BCA. Okay, BCA just now we have the answer. The answer is, let me see. Okay, BCA 39.61. Okay, you got 39.61. So this is 39.61. Okay, so now you have the angle. You can find this angle also. Boleh cari sudut yang ni. So you will get 180 minus 90 minus 39.61. Okay, so let me count. So you will get 50.39. Okay, 50.39. Okay, so now you have all this information and you want to find this now. Okay, so guys, think and see. What is the concept now that I need to use? What other information that I need to find over here? Apa lagi saya kena cari kat sini? Anyone? Can you think and see? What information you need now? Okay, anyone? Come on, you guys must think kena fikir. Apa saya kena buat dari sini? What I need to find from here? Yes, of course GC lah. But what other information you can get from this triangle? Apa lagi informasi kamu boleh dapat dari segitiga ni? You guys see it's a right angle triangle, right? Segitiga sudut tegak. Area we know already. Luas kita tahu dah. Okay, based on this answer. Inilah luas segitiga ni. Okay, now we need to see. Yes, 90 degree, right? So 90 degree you guys can think of SOHCAHTOA. Am I right? Pythagoras theorem cannot. Okay, because Pythagoras theorem kamu kena ada panjang. Sekarang kita tak tahu mana-mana panjang. We don't know any length. So Pythagoras theorem cannot. Okay, so you need to use SOHCAHTOA. So SOHCAHTOA means you can say sine. Okay, 39.61 equal to FG over GC. Yeah. Sorry. FG over FC. Sorry, this one I wrong. FC. Luas tadi jawapan memang negatif. Luas negatif ke? Yang ni luas dia. Mana negatif? Positif lah. Kena tukar darjah guys. When you calculate this answer is always in degree mode guys. Calculator kena dalam mode darjah. Okay, because now we are talking about sine. You must remember guys, sine means your angle is in degree. Sudut kena darjah. Okay? Alright. So now you can also think of cos. So you can say cos 39.61 equal to what? Equal to GC over FC. Okay, so now guys, what do you see common over here? Apa yang kamu nampak serupa guys kat sini? Tell me. You see that FC is common, right? Dua-dua ni sama kan? So I can try to express my answer in term of FC. FC in term of other terms. Macam mana dapat sudut C? Sudut C ni saya dapat dari dari segitiga yang besar ni. Okay? Wait guys. 39.61. How I get that? Tadi soalan B. Soalan B kamu suruh cari BCA. So itulah jawapan dia tadi. 39.61 dari petua sinus. Okay, sine rule. Tadi kamu fokus pada segitiga besar ABC. Okay? Boleh? So now, you try to express FC, guys. So when you express FC, okay, I rub this one first. Okay, so for FC, you will get FC equal to, sorry, you use GF first. GF equal to FC times sine 39.61. Okay, and then GC equal to FC times cos 39.61. Okay, sampai sekarang semua boleh faham tak? All of you can understand or not? Until now, what I'm doing. Macam mana dapat 50.39? 50.39 sebab segitiga, guys. 180 minus 90 minus 39.61. So, 50.39. Okay? Saya sengaja saja cari sudut tu. Okay, just untuk lengkapkan segitiga tu saja. Okay? Alright. So now guys, if you think back, what is your formula to count your area of triangle FGC? Apa rumus dia? Setengah kali tapak. Tapak is GC. Okay, your base. Height is FG. So guys, you already have GC and FG. Am I right? Kamu ada dua-dua information yang ni. So you just need to substitute inside here. And then sama dengan luas. Luas segitiga ADE equal to ADE. Okay, because question say FCG equal to ADE. Okay, boleh faham guys? Do you understand? So now kamu hanya ada FC saja dalam persamaan kamu. You only have FC. So you can already solve for FC. Do you understand guys? Boleh faham? Then the question asks you to find GC. So FC, kamu ganti jawapan kat sini, kira, tekan calculator. Okay, press calculator and get the answer. So this is your working step. Ini jalan kira. Okay, do you guys understand? Boleh dapat? So this is GF lah, and then this is GC. GF, GC. So kamu boleh dapat FC. And then FC, substitute over, wait. Question asked to find, wait guys. Soalan suruh cari GC, yes, correct. Okay, so you substitute FC inside here. Gantikan kat sini. So then kamu akan dapat GC. Okay, question C, okay guys? Boleh ke tak? Soalan C. I know it's a bit hard. Dia sikit susah kan, dia sangat panjang. But do you get the concept? Boleh dapat konsep yang saya sampaikan? So you guys must go step by step. Although it's long. Walaupun panjang, pergi slow and steady. Okay, you will get the answer one. Don't worry if you're working sangat panjang. Bila working lebih panjang, kamu akan lebih, lebih banyak info kamu ada tentang soalan. You have more information when you write everything down. Much easier. Okay, so this one got how many mark? 5 mark, 5 marker. Okay, so are you clear guys? We done the first question already. Okay, so now we come to the 3D guys. Okay, 3D, focus. Anyone who weak in 3D, please focus. Okay, this is one of the question. Okay, this question is actually a very famous question. Have you all seen this question before? Yes or no? Pernah nampak soalan ni? Siapa pernah nampak soalan ni? Kalau orang yang banyak buat latihan, dia akan tahu soalan ni sudah keluar SPM sebenar sebelum ni. Don't play guys. This is actually an SPM question. If you guys know SPM question, take note. Exactly the same question. So it come out in the trial. Tahun ni trial keluar dari soalan sebenar SPM yang tahun lepas. So guys, this actually is under your KBSM syllabus. Soalan KBSM dia bawa masuk KSSM for trial 2024. This question actually in the SPM KBSM syllabus, but it's still related. Dia masih kait dengan KSSM. So that's why they come out with this question. Okay, so this is the challenge lah for you. Okay, so come, we see this question together. Okay, so for this question, they ask you find the length of DE. Okay, so first, whenever question give you info, you label. Label semua info yang ada. Okay, so ADE 37. Okay, and then EAD 45. So guys, tell me, yang ni kamu boleh cari kan? Okay, so what's the answer? AED. Tell me what you get. AED. Rajin tekan calculator, guys. You must be hardworking. Press calculator. Yes. Okay, you will get 98. Okay, so now you have all the info already. So now you can start. So they ask you length of DE. Okay, wait. Got some more info. Okay, so over here they say ABFE segi 4 sama square 12 cm. Okay, so you can label 12, 12, everything is 12 lah. Semua 12. Okay, so now you're done. This one also is 12 because rectangle. Okay, kalau segi 4 sisi bertentangan sama panjang. Okay, so now you can already find DE. Okay, so tell me guys, if you want to find DE, what is the rule? Apa petua kamu untuk cari DE? So now you focus on this triangle. Yes. Okay, you can use the sine rule, right? Petua sinus. So guys, see, opposite side, angle. And then opposite side, angle. So kamu kena cari yang ni lah, DE. Do you all see it? So this is how you see 3D diagram. Ini cara dia. Okay, you just focus on one part only. Jangan lihat seluruh wajah. Lihat apa yang mereka tanya saja. Look at only one surface. Okay? So your answer, just use sine rule. So very simple lah. You just solve sine rule. So answer is ED equal to 14.10. Okay? Can? Boleh guys? Should be okay, right? For question A. Okay, so continue. Okay, the hardest question here is question B. Yang ni soalan paling susah. They ask you to find the area of the shaded plane. Okay. Come on guys. Kamu kena sabarlah soalan ni. Because this question memang hard. Susah. Saya tak bincang soalan-soalan senang punya. Okay, because I assume that all of those who join today are the one who want to get A+. Am I right? Semua join kelas saya hari ni sebab apa? Nak dapat A+ kan? So definitely soalan yang saya bagi bukan biasa-biasa lah. Of course, I won't give you the simple question. You must challenge yourself to do the hardest of the hardest question. Kena buat soalan yang paling susah. Baru kamu tahu tahap kamu ke mana. Okay? This is AdMaths, guys. So AdMaths, you have to do the hard question one. Okay. So area of inclined plane. So basically, you need to find this area. Okay. So now, ED we already find. Okay, kita dah tahu panjang ED. Okay, so 14.10. Okay, so now, all right. So you must think and see now, guys. Just now they tell you this information. All of this is 12. So guys, can you see something? Boleh nampak sesuatu tak? Can you see that BE? What do we call BE, guys? Can anyone tell me? BE ni apa? Dalam segi 4 sama ni. Can you see it? Hypotenuse, yes. Segi 4 sama selalunya 90 darjah, guys. 90 degree. So you can easily find BE. Pythagoras theorem lah. Okay, square root 12 square plus 12 square. So you get the answer D. Okay, so you tekan calculator, you will get square root 288. 288. It's better for you guys to maintain insert form. Okay, tinggal saja jawapan dalam bentuk cert sebab lebih tepat. It's more accurate. Okay, alright. So now, what else? Don't understand. Which part? Okay, you see the square over here. FEBA. Square. Square, what is the angle? Can you tell me? For a square, what is the value of one angle in a square? Common sense. 90, right? So that's why this one is 90 lah. This is one of the angle. Okay, so now you can cut the square like this. So you will actually get a right angle triangle. Do you understand? So when you have right angle triangle, what can you do? Pythagoras theorem. Do you understand now how to get the BE? So BE is square root 288. This answer over here. Clear now? So you can always cut the triangle. Don't be worried to modify the diagram, guys. If you can modify the diagram, it's okay. Just go on. Kamu boleh ubah gambar aja. As long it follow the question. Dia ikut soalan. Okay? Alright, so now you got BE, you got ED. Okay, let us find BD guys. Kita nak cari BD sekarang. 12 yes, no problem. If you guys want to simplify some more also can. Yeah, by all means you can simplify. No worries one. Okay. All right. So now you need to find BD. Okay. So guys, tell me what is your length for BD? Anyone? Apa panjang untuk BD kamu? Okay, BD one is the hardest one over here. Okay, so just now you know CD is 12, right? Okay, so what else? Hypotenuse juga. Okay, but hypotenuse, right? You need to find an extra info. Kamu kena cari AD. Am I right? Tapi senang kan? It's very simple because we have all the angles. So guys, you have the information just now. ADE 37, EAD 45. So now guys, can I find AD? How to find? Macam mana cari panjang AD? What rule do we use? Betul apa? This angle was, just now I also forget already, 98. So what rule? Yes, you can use sine rule. Boleh guna petua sinus. So guys, look at your opposite side and angle. Opposite. So you can already find AD. So AD over sine 98 equal to ED. ED is, wait, okay, you can choose ED lah. So ED is 14.10 over sine 45. Do you understand, guys? How I get this? Boleh dapat? So this is just sine rule lah. Petua sinus for segitiga ADE. So you now can find AD also. So now, if you find AD, guys, how to find BE? BD. Macam mana cari BD? What concept? Now I got AD, I got CD. So what is this? What theorem? Kena guna konsep apa? Pythagoras theorem, right? Because BACD is a rectangle, so means that 90 darjah. All the side is 90 degree because rectangle. So you can use Pythagoras theorem. So you just take square root 12 square plus AD. Okay, so AD, if you count, right, you will get 19.75 cm. Okay, just tekan calculator. So plus 19.75 square. Okay, count the answer. Cari jawapan. So this is for BD. Okay, so BD equal to 23.11. Correct. Yeah, so this is your answer. BD. Understand, guys? Sampai sekarang? Boleh dapat? Are you clear? So now, guys, I show you something. You see the diagram now. BE, I got information. BE length, I got. ED, saya ada information. BD, saya ada information. So, guys, 3 length, 3 panjang. Kita boleh cari tak luas segitiga? Can we find the area if we have 3 length? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes, can. So you no need to purposely go and find an angle inside BAD. Tak perlu cari sudut pun. Okay, sebab banyak orang akan fikir luas hanya boleh guna rumus ni. Half AB sin C. So saya tak ada yang ni. Maksudnya tak boleh. Tak. Kamu boleh guna rumus Heaven. Am I right? Just use Heaven's formula. Settle. 3 lengths. Kamu ada 3 panjang dah. So you can already find the answer. Okay, so for Heaven's formula is basically you do like this. Okay, you use the formula. This is your semi-perimeter. This value. Okay, semi-perimeter. Maksudnya kamu tambah semua panjang segitiga tu bahagi 2. Okay, add all the length of the triangle and divide by 2. This is what you mean by semi-perimeter. Okay, then you just apply the formula for Heaven. Okay, so this is the formula for Heaven. Okay, guys, boleh dapat? Are you clear on it? Yes or no? Clear or not, guys? Boleh dapat ke? Can, Okay. So now we come to question C. Okay, so for question C, guys, they ask you the shortest length from E to BD. Kamu nak kira panjang terdekat E kepada BD. So guys, shortest length mean what? In NMATS, may I know? Panjang terdekat. Very important keyword. for solution of triangle? So anyone? Shortest length mean you must find? Kena cari quantity apa? Yes. Okay, remember guys, shortest length mean height or tinggi. Ingat, panjang terdekat ni maksudnya cari tinggi. Okay? So guys, you already have the area. Am I right? Kamu boleh guna jawapan form B. Okay, so you just use half times base times height. That's all. Okay, so what is your base here guys? Can you all tell me? Apa tapak kamu kat sini? Bagi label kat saya. What is your label for the base? Anyone? Tapak. Bukan. Guys, now we are focusing on triangle BED. Am I right? Kita fokus segitiga BED ni. So apa tapak segitiga ni? What is the base of this triangle? The shaded one. Be careful lah guys. Your area is for BED now. Okay? So what is the base? Apa tapak dia? Yes, it's BD, right? So you just substitute lah inside the formula. Okay, so then you will get the answer. Okay, so inilah jawapan dia. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay guys, are you clear? Macam mana dapat jawapan? Senang? Simple or not? This question. The most hardest one is this one lah. Soalan D. Okay, you must just do step by step. Kena sabar. Okay, you must be patient when doing this kind of question. Okay, because got 6 marks. 6 markah is a lot for one question. Okay, can we go on guys? Boleh bagi lagi? We see some more question. Okay, so now another question. Okay, we see this one because question C. So for those lemah for lakaran, focus for solution of triangle. Okay, so this one is also another state. Satu lagi negeri. So they say CF 18, DF 24. Okay, so you can label DF 24 and then CG 17. Okay, FCG 50. Okay, all label HDI 60. Okay, all got already. Semua ada. So now they ask you to find the length of FG. Okay, guys. So tell me how to find FG. Everyone here? Macam mana cari panjang FG? Yes, very good. Okay, you can use the cosine rule. Okay, guna petua cosinus saja. Okay, so you will get FG square equal to 18 square plus 17 square minus 2 times 18 times 17 cos 50. Okay, you guys have no problem to apply the formula, right? Kamu tak ada apa-apa masalah nak guna rumus ni kan? Senang saja kan? Always remember guys, cosine rule, stickman. Kalau petua cosinus, kamu lukis stickman saja. Kamu akan nampak dah jawapan kamu. This is your stickman. Okay, if you want to call snowman also can. Kamu nak panggil snowman pun boleh. Kenapa snowman guys? Because now Christmas coming, right? So you can call as snowman also. If you don't like stickman, you draw snowman. Snowman pun macam ni kan? This is also snowman concept. Stickman or snowman, both also same. Okay? So you will still get the same answer. Okay? All right. So this is for A1. And then A2, they ask you to find EG. Okay, so for EG, how to find? Okay, so EG is this one. Okay, it's like this. So anyone? How do we get EG? So now you must think a bit. Kena fikir sikit. So anyone? Do you have the concept? How to get EG? What rule must we use? Petua apa? Cari CE. Okay, Ken? Yes, very good. Okay, so how you find CE guys? Macam mana kamu cari panjang CE? What rule? Petua apa kamu guna? Yes, very good. Okay, you use sine rule. So guys, you can find the length here. Okay, actually this question, right? Sorry. That one is 50. Okay, so means that 70, 70. So you can start lah. 24 plus 18 over sine 70 equal to, okay, I compare this one with this one, and then I compare this one with this one. So you guys can see opposite length and angle. CC dan sudut bertentangan, petua sinus. Okay, so you will get equal to CE over sine 60. Okay, this is your formula lah guys. Ini rumus kamu. Faham? Do you guys understand? So you just solve for CE. Okay, then you can cari GE, ambil CE, tolak CG. Okay, means CE minus 17. Then you will get the answer. Very simple lah guys. Sangat senang. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, any problems so far? Ada apa-apa tak faham sampai sekarang? Clear, right? Okay, so continue. Wow, you guys so good, huh? But guys, the problem with y'all is always in class you guys say understand, but then exam tiba-tiba tak boleh buat. Kenapa? Always in class I will see people say understand, faham. Tapi masa exam habis. Saya pun tak tahu macam mana. So maksudnya faham ni kamu kata betul-betul ke faham atau cuma sengaja kata faham? So memang kena faham guys, 100%. Baru kamu boleh type perkataan faham tu. Faham tu satu perkataan yang sangat powerful. It's a powerful word. Understand means you must 100% understand, not 50% or 60%. Okay? Awal saja faham. Yes, that is you guys lah. What to do? Okay. Takut Takut apa? Takut saya atau takut SPM? Oh, takut sir. Oh, maksudnya kamu takut kepada saya ke? Oh, takut exam. Oh, okay. Ingat kamu takut saya. Okay lah. Biasalah yang tu, semua orang pun takut punya. Tak ada apa-apa yang istimewa tentang kamu semua kat sini. Okay? So now, they say FCG is 2 times HDI. Okay, so they ask you to find DI. Okay, so FCG guys, you can find the area. Okay, kamu boleh cari luas. Okay, so area of FCG, half times 18 times 17 times sine 50. So again, you draw the stickman, lukis stickman to find area, luas. Okay, and then they say 2 times, 2 kali luas HDI. Okay, so guys, HDI is a right angle triangle. Okay, satu segitiga bersudut tegak. Okay, so just now, wait you must find DI. Okay, so inilah soalan kamu. Okay, so now you must know what is HI. Kamu kena tahu panjang yang ni. Okay, let me see. Okay, DF, you guys have 24. Okay, so what other information? All right, so now, wait guys. Okay, first step. How are you going to find DI? Can anyone tell me? Macam mana kamu nak cari DI? Come on. Anyone know or not? How to find? Macam mana cari? Anyone? Think and see. Cuba fikir. This is 30. Think and see guys. Cuba fikir. What is the concept you guys can use here? Think and see. Anyone? Come on. How are you going to solve this? Kamu ada nilai luas dah. You have the area, but you don't have HI. Kamu tak tahu panjang HI. So macam mana? How? This is the time you guys must think and see lah. Kena fikir betul-betul. So anyone? Come on. Think and see. Okay, I give you all a clue lah guys. No. Guys, whenever you have right angle triangle, always remember what guys? Soka tua. Kena ingat guys yang ni. Segitiga sudut tegak automatically kena keluar yang ni. You must think of this. Okay, although at maths kamu jarang guna yang ni, more on modern maths, but kamu boleh guna juga konsep modern maths in maths. Okay, do you all understand me guys? Can Okay, so means that now, will you choose so, ka or tua? You all tell me. Kamu akan pilih yang mana sekarang? Cuba bagi tahu. Which one you guys want to choose? Anyone? Think and see. Kamu nak pilih mana sekarang? Come on. Tell me, sine, cos or tangent? Kamu nak guna yang mana guys? Sine ah. Guys, you must careful lah. Sine, adakah kamu ada panjang DH guys? Yes or no? Do we have DH length? I don't think so. Kita tak ada kan DH. So confirm tak boleh lah. Sebab kamu akan ada unknown. You don't have any value. So means that soka tak boleh sebab ada hypotenuse. So you must go for tangent guys. Do you understand lah? Boleh faham? You must go for tangent. Okay, so basically you can say tangent 60 equal to HI over DI. Faham? So now HI equal to DI tangent 60. So now sangat senang dah guys. So how you find area of the triangle? Half times HI, right? Half kali HI. So HI is DI tangent 60 and then kali tapak. Tapak is DI. So guys, tengok persamaan kamu. Look at your equation. You guys only have DI. So boleh selesaikan tak? Can you solve it? Yes, you can solve already. Sama dengan nilai ni. Okay, equal both of these equation. Senang tak? Do you all see it? Boleh nampak konsep dia? Tangent 60 kamu boleh cari nilai. Just press calculator. Okay? So then you solve for DI. Okay? So you can answer the question already. That's all. Okay, so your answer will get DI equal to 8.22 centimeter. Okay? Boleh guys? I need more response. You guys so silent. Because Merry Christmas already, is it? Jangan dalam mood Christmas. I know you guys want to celebrate Christmas. Just pindahkan kuasa 2. So, yes, betul lah. Sebab DI kuasa 2 kan. So, kamu kena DI sama dengan punca kuasa 2 jawapan kat kanan. Kamu pindah semua yang lain ke kanan. Setengah, tangent 60. Okay, all of it bawah to right hand side. Okay? Alright. So now, question C. Okay, a lot of people don't know how to do question C. This is the ambiguous case, guys. 1 mark only. 1 markah. Okay, so how do we draw the triangle? CDE. Okay, you focus on guys. This one. Although 1 mark is very precious. Do you guys know the power of 1 mark in NMATS? Siapa pernah rasa betapa pentingnya 1 markah tu dalam NMATS untuk tukar grade? Kamu akan lebih faham lah. Okay, apa pentingnya 1 markah dalam NMATS. Okay, you must appreciate the power of 1 mark. 1 mark can mean A to A+, can mean G to pass, can mean D to C. Many things lah guys. Yes, that's why don't underestimate this 1 mark. It's very important. Okay, so now CDE. Okay, so how do we draw another triangle over here? Can anyone tell me? Macam mana kita boleh lukis satu lagi segitiga? Okay, so always right, you must see the condition guys. Nampak syarat. CD equal to CD, CE equal to CE, and CDE sama. Okay, so means that kamu tak boleh ubah yang ni. So you cannot change this one, you cannot change this one. Okay, kamu kena mark lah tanda apa yang tak boleh ubah. And also CDE, tak boleh ubah. Okay, all of these you cannot change. So the only length you can change now is DE. Kamu boleh pindahkan DE. So you must think and see, how do I change this triangle? Okay, so always I tell you what guys, kamu kena buat apa? Kamu kena guna konsep isosceles triangle. Okay, segitiga kaki sama. So guys, CE tak boleh ubah kan? So means that saya boleh lukis CE macam ni, di mana panjang dua-dua ni adalah sama. Faham tak guys? Do you understand? So DE kamu boleh ubah. So tengok, inilah segitiga baru kamu. Faham tak? Do you all understand guys? How to get the answer? That's all. Itu saja. So CE tak boleh ubah, that's why saya maintain panjang. Guna segitiga kaki sama konsep. Okay, isosceles triangle. And then DE saya boleh ubah. So it becomes shorter, pendek. Yang lain, sudut pun tak berubah kat sini. The angle never change. So your answer is this one. Okay, inilah jawapan kamu. So guys, do I need to follow scale when I draw? Yes or no? Tell me. Adakah saya perlu ikut skala panjang semua sudut tu kena ukur? Yes or no? Bila lukis segitiga ni? Yes, very good. Okay, tak perlu ikut skala guys. Don't follow scale one. Okay, because the question says sketch, lakaran. Lakaran skala tak penting. Okay, remember, sketch means scale not important. Alright? Okay, so now we see another type of question. Satu lagi jenis soalan. Okay, this one also got sketching. Okay, so for this one, they ask you to calculate the length of DE. Okay, so DE. Okay, so first, EC, semua information. So BD 17, DA 15, AE 12, and BG equal FG, BAC 80. Okay, so you have all the information. So now, they ask you to find the length DE. Okay guys, DE, macam mana cari guys? How do I find DE? Come on, faster, faster. Soalan senang. Yes, cosine rule, right? Huh? Is it your trial question? Oh, I think this one is Selangor. Yang ni soalan trial Selangor kan guys? Yeah. I can see the wording itself, I know already. Senang Okay lah, never mind. Although senang, we still bincang lah. Okay, so you just do DE square equal to 15 square plus 12 square minus 2, 15, 12, and cos 80. Okay, so then just tekan calculator, get the answer. Okay, and then EC. Okay guys, how do we find EC? Can anyone tell me this one? So guys, the important concept is, can anyone tell me sudut GBF? What is the length for GBF? Bonus question. Where got bonus? I don't understand. So GBF guys, what is your angle? GBF. Anyone? Cepat. GBF kamu semua dapat apa? What's the angle? Yes, you will get 45. Okay, because it's an isosceles triangle. Segitiga kaki sama. BG equal to FG. Okay, so 45, 45. Okay, so now, what is the rule guys? Apa petua dia? Is something similar like just now lah? Yes, sine rule lah guys. Guna petua sinus saja. Okay, because opposite angle, opposite side, and then you can find this angle. Kamu boleh cari yang ni. Okay, this one is 180 minus 80 minus 45. So you will get 55. So then you will get the answer lah. Kamu akan ada jawapan. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, boleh dapat guys? Senang kan? Very straightforward lah. No wonder you guys say easy. Okay, this question. Area of DAE 2 times BFG. Okay, so DAE. Okay, so DAE senang. Half times 15 times 12 times sine 80. And then DFG. Okay guys, DFG. Can I use half times base times height? Yes or no? Boleh tak saya guna rumus ni? Setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, can Boleh. Okay, because this is a right angle triangle. Okay, so you can just use half x square. Do you understand guys? Why I use x? Because both of the length here will be the same. Since it's isosceles. Sama panjang. So I give a symbol x lah. Okay, so half x square must times 2 lah. Sebab 2 kali lebih besar. 2 times. Okay, equal to half times 15 times 12 times sine 80. Okay, boleh dapat? So then you just solve for x. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so jawapan you should get 9.414. Okay, yeah. No wonder you guys say easy. Very straightforward. Okay, last one. They ask you to sketch the triangle ABC. Kamu kena laka segitiga ABC. So AB equal to AB, AC, ABC. Okay, so this one is the large triangle yang besar. Okay, so what is the concept guys? Tell me quickly. Ambiguous case, what is the concept always? What type of triangle that you need to form? Apa jenis segitiga yang kamu kena ada? So this one is constant, this one also constant. Yes, sama kaki guys. So you just draw a isosceles triangle. Okay, so this is the triangle. Inilah segitiga yang kamu kena lukis. Okay, are you clear, guys? Okay, so there's an extra question. They ask you to find B prime, C prime, A prime. So kamu kena cari yang ni. You need to find this angle. So guys, how to get the angle? Macam mana dapat? Very simple, right? Tadi kamu dah dapat ACB kan? You already found your ACB. ACB is 55. Am I right? So guys, tell me, what is this angle? Apa sudut yang ni? Yes, 55. Okay, because this is isosceles. Segitiga sama kaki. So, you can get this angle tadi 180 minus 55. So, jawapan dia 125. Okay, clear? Senang soalan ni kan? So, confirm 10 marks lah this question. So, this is how you score. Okay, clear? Can Boleh lah. Okay, so some more. Last question. Let me see. Which one should I discuss? I think we discuss 3D lah. Okay, because 3D susah sikit. Okay, so maybe we look at this question. Okay. All right. So for this question, guys, they say length and breadth BCEF 12 cm, 5 cm. Okay, sudah diberi. And then calculate CD. Okay, so how do we find CD, guys? Macam mana cari yang ni? For those weak in 3D, focus. Yes. Remember, theorem Pythagoras always. Very good. Okay, because this is 12 cm, this is 5 cm, so this is a right angle. Segitiga sudut tegak. Okay, so you just square root 12 square plus 5 square. So answer is 13 cm. You must always remember, guys, bila keluar soalan 3D kan, SOT, always remember Pythagoras theorem. Confirm kamu akan guna. You will definitely use Pythagoras theorem. Okay? Alright. So next one. Angle between BD and CD. Okay, so how to find this angle? BD and CD. So maksudnya kamu boleh lukis lah. Like this. So BD and CD maksudnya kamu kena cari yang ni. So anyone? What's the rule? Apa petua yang kamu kena guna? Yes. Okay, you can use cosine rule. Petua cosinus. Okay, so guys, what is your BD length? Can anyone tell me? Apa panjang BD yang kamu boleh dapat? Anyone can see it? How is BD length? Yes, sama. Correct. Very smart. Okay, this is also an isosceles triangle. Segitiga sama kaki. This one 13. This one is also 13. Boleh bayangkan? Hopefully you guys can imagine. Okay, so it's also 13. This one over here. Okay, so now you can find the angle. Okay, so 5 square equal to 13 square plus 13 square minus 2, 13, 13 cos theta. So just solve for theta. Then kamu akan dapat jawapan D. Okay, actually the question look hard. Soalan nampak susah, but it's actually very simple. Am I right? Sangat senang untuk dapat markah. Okay, and then now they ask you what is the area of triangle BCD. Ayo, they spoiling you all lah, guys. So simple lah. Area of triangle BCD, half AB sin C lah. That's all. Okay, so you have the angle tadi, half 13, 13 sin jawapan tadi. Okay, just now answer is 22.17. So then tekan calculator, dapat jawapan. Okay, so question C, this is your answer. Very straightforward. Okay, clear? Sampai sekarang? Okay, right? Okay, so now they ask you the angle between the plane BCD and BCFE. Okay, so this one, you guys must see a bit. BCD and BCFE. Okay, so let me see. BC, okay, so it's basically the triangle and the base. Okay, so where is the angle, guys? Can you all tell me? Mana sudut dia tu yang saya kena cari? Anyone? What is the angle that I need to find here? You must find this angle. Am I right? Yes. Okay, this is the angle between BCD and tapak. Boleh bayangkan tak, guys? Your segitiga slanted like this. This is your tapak. So the angle is in between, kat tengah-tengah. Okay? So you need to find some length first. Kena cari panjang dulu. Okay, so you need to find, let me see. You need to find DF. Kamu kena cari yang ni. So anyone? How do we find DF? Can anyone tell me? Macam mana cari panjang DF? Anyone? 5. Betul ke? Okay guys, you cannot assume as 5 Kamu tak boleh anggap let me check and see. Kamu tak boleh anggap 5. You cannot assume 5. Okay, because the question didn't say rectangle. Soalan tak cakap segi 4 tepat. Okay, so you cannot assume DF is 5. Boleh faham tak? So you need to find another method. How to find DF? Macam mana boleh cari? Think and see. Cuba fikir. How do I find DF? Tak boleh anggap 5 guys. You must remember. Cannot assume 5. So how to get DF? Anyone? Got idea? Pythagoras. Okay, Sad, let me see. Pythagoras. Sad, let me see whether can or not. Okay. Alright. EF sama dengan 5. Okay, yang ni betul lah. Okay, because opposite angle. Okay. So, I mean opposite side. Sisi yang bertentangan. So, EF 5. And then, you can try to find this height. Okay, cuba cari panjang yang ni guys. Ketinggian. Segitiga. Find the height of the triangle. Okay, because, why we find the height guys? Okay, because this one is 5. Okay, so can anyone tell me this length? What is this length? Apa panjang yang tu? Cuba bagi tahu. What is that length? Yes. Okay, you can assume it's the midpoint. Okay, anggap dia titik tengah. So 2.5. So now you find the height guys. Cari titik ketinggian yang ni. So it's just 5 square minus 2.5 square. So your answer is actually 4.330 cm. So guys, you imagine, cuba bayangkan, this height over here is actually same as the height over here. Do you agree? Boleh setuju? Sama lah. Okay, this one also 4.330. So actually, right guys, your triangle is like this now. Inilah segitiga kamu. Faham tak? It's still right angle. Dia masih segitiga bersudut tegak. Okay, because this one is vertical. Height is always vertical. Ketinggian selalunya menegak. Dan garis ni, dia melintang kan? It is horizontal. So confirm sudut dia kena 90 darjah. Okay, because vertical and horizontal line always 90 degree. That's why 90 darjah. Can you guys see it? Boleh nampak tak? So you cannot use DF. Tak boleh guna DF. Actually, this angle over here is not 90. Dia bukan 90. Okay, because it's actually got two angles. Ada dua sudut kena tambah. So that kamu boleh dapat DFC. Faham tak? So dia bukan 90 darjah. Okay, it's not 90 degrees. So now you can find lah. So tangent theta equal to opposite bertentangan over adjacent bersebelahan. Okay, your adjacent is 12. Okay, dia masih 12. Okay, you will still assume as 12 lah. Okay, so then you just solve for theta. Okay, kamu boleh cari nilai theta. Okay guys, are you clear? This question? Can? So your answer will get like this. Boleh? Can or not? Boleh ke tak guys? Are you clear? This last question? So make sure you guys careful lah when you see the height. Kena hati-hati. Okay, you must choose the correct point. Okay? Alright. So we discuss last question lah, one more. DF tak sama dengan CA. DF tak sama, tak. Dia tak sama. Sebab kamu tak nampak simbol yang ni Ahmad. Boleh nampak tak simbol ni? Simbol ni tak ada kat sini. So kamu tak boleh anggap dia sama. Faham tak? Kamu kena nampak simbol dash. If you guys see that symbol dash on DF, then only same. Okay? Boleh? Kalau kamu nampak soalan kata DFAC adalah segi 4 tepat, then boleh. If they say DFAC rectangle, then correct. Tapi soalan tak kata apa-apa. Question never say. So you cannot assume. Tak boleh anggap. Okay? So just be careful lah on the small thing. Benda-benda kecil macam ni. Okay, let me see what other question should I discuss. Okay lah, we discuss this one, the last question. Okay, kita buat soalan ni lah guys sebagai terakhir. Okay, you guys still okay? Can we go through this? Yes or no? Last lah, kita latih 3D yang soalan terakhir. Okay, alright. So now this question, they say BD equal to CD. Okay, so BD equal to BD equal CD ya. Okay lah, tak apalah. Anggap sajalah BD equal to CD. BC equal to 12. AB equal to AC. So 6.8. BDC 70. ACD 38. Okay, semua info dah ada. Okay, so now cari panjang CD. Okay, so anyone? How do we find CD length? So what is the rule over here? Okay, so you can first find the angle. Okay, cari sudut dia dulu. Wait, let me see. Any angle that I miss out? Sign. Okay, you can start. Boleh mula. So anyone? What is the rule? Apa sudut yang saya kena cari dulu? What angle? Anyone? Sine. Yes, you can use sine rule, guys. Boleh guna pertua sinus. Okay, because you want to find CD. Okay, so you can use opposite. Okay, yang ni. So 12. Okay, but we don't know the angle, right? Kita tak tahu sudut yang tu lagi. Okay, so you can try to find the angle first. Wait, let me see ya. Kamu kena cari sudut yang ni dulu. You must find that angle. Okay, so how to find that angle? You can use cosine rule. Okay, kamu boleh guna rumus 6.8 square equal to 6.8 square plus 12 square minus 2, 6.8, 12 cos ACB. Okay, boleh nampak guys? Can you see? I'm focused on this triangle now. I want to find my sudut BCA first. So you try to tekan calculator. Let me see what I get. Times 6.8 times 12. And then shift cos. Okay, you will get 28. ACB equal to 28. So yang ni 28. So now guys, you can find the total. Okay, the total you should get 66. 66 darjah. Okay. Wait guys. The question is like a bit weird. ABC are isosceles. BCD and inclined plane. Oh, BCD isosceles. Oh, okay. I think I see the concept, guys. Because BCD also isosceles. Sorry. Yang ni pun adalah segitiga kaki sama. So means that sudut ni dia akan sama dengan sudut ni. Okay, it's the same angle one. So 180 minus 70 divide 2. Kamu kena guna konsep tu, guys. So the concept is both of these angle are the same. Faham tak? Do you understand, guys? Because they say BCD segitiga sama kaki. So you take total minus 70 bahagi 2 sebab sama sudut, same angle. Okay, but guys, you might ask me, right? How can this length equal to this length? Am I right? Kamu akan tanya macam tu kan? Macam mana kamu boleh kata BD sama dengan CD? Adakah itu soalan kamu, guys? Is that your question right now? I think so, right? You all ask me how BD equal to CD. You see the question lah, guys. The question itself say BD equal to CD. Kalau soalan kata macam tu, kamu kena ikut. Walaupun dia tak nampak logik. Of course, it's not logic based on the diagram. But you just need to assume. Anggap saja. Okay? Can so then you use sine rule lah. Okay, guna pertua sinus. And then you will get the answer. Okay? Clear? Boleh dapat, guys? Yes or no? I need some comment. You guys so silent lah. Macam semua tertidur dah. Come on, wake up. Bangun. Can Yes? Anything? If you got question, ask kalau ada soalan tanya. Okay, so now they ask you to find AD. Kamu kena cari panjang AD. Okay, so how to find? Okay, so you focus on this triangle. Wait, let me rub everything. Lebih senang. Okay, so you focus on this one, AD. Okay, so this one 55. Okay, what other info? 6.8, 12, 6.8. AB equal to AC. Okay, so this one also 6.8. Okay, so now, can you find AD? Yes or no? Boleh cari tak? AD. So what is the rule we can use here? Okay, first of all, you already got CD, right? Kamu ada panjang yang ni, 10.46. Just now you guys find. Kamu dah cari. So guys, what is the rule here? Apa petua dia? Nak dapat AD. Komen. Cepat. Walaupun senang, tetap komen. Are you guys sure? Betul ke? Yes. Cosine rule guys. Nampak stickman. Lucky stickman guys. Kamu faham? Or snowman. Can you see? Yes. Now you want to find this one. Kamu nak cari yang ni. So you can use cosine rule. That's all. Okay, just substitute all the information. Dapat jawapan. Okay? Alright. And now they ask you ACD. ACD macam mana? Stickman jugalah. Okay, half times 6.8 times 10.46 times sine 38. So inilah calculation lah for area of triangle luas segitiga. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, until now, boleh? Still can lah? Okay, last question for today. Soalan terakhir. Okay, angle between ABC and BCD. Okay, so how to find the angle guys? Okay, so first of all, what is the angle are they talking about? Apa sudut dia sekarang? ABC, BCD. So kamu kena cari apa? ABC, BCD. Anyone? Sudut apa? Kamu kena dapat. Anyone? Hello? Kamu kena dapat sudut apa? ABC, BCD. Cuba bagi tahu. What is the angle over here? Anyone? Tak tahu ke? You guys don't know anything. Come on lah guys. Think and see. ABC dan BCD. Apa sudut dia yang kamu kena cari? What's the angle? A. Kamu kena cari A. Bukan? Bukan A. Think and see carefully guys. Fikir betul-betul. Think and see. What you must find. Kamu kena cari apa kat sini? A, B, C and B, C, D. B. Okay, Sada. Okay, yes. Okay, kamu kena cari sudut B guys. You must find the B angle. Correct. Okay, so how do you find the B angle? Macam mana cari? Okay, so you need to use all the information here. Okay, so first step, 70 plus 55. Macam mana kamu ambil 70 tambah 55? Tak faham. You cannot do like that, guys. Cannot. Okay, you guys must focus on one of the triangle here. Lihat satu segitiga saja. Okay, so if you guys draw a triangle here. Wait, how should I show this? Okay, like this. Okay, guys, you see this triangle. So this is actually a right angle triangle. Am I right? Why B2, sir? Why B? Which one B, guys? Saya tak faham. Apa kamu maksud kenapa B? Oh, sebab dia tanya ABC dan SATA. Okay, ABC triangle and the plane. So apa sudut yang antara dua-dua tu? What is the angle in between? So kamu kena cari sudut B lah. You must find the B angle. Okay? Boleh dapat? So kamu kena cari sudut yang ni lah. Okay, find this angle. Okay? Can Ahmad? Okay, so kamu boleh guna theorem Pythagoras. Okay, you can use Pythagoras because this is right angle. Segitiga sudut tegak. If you guys focus on this one only, you focus on this triangle. Okay, so you will get, let me count and see. 6.8 square minus 6 square. Okay, so 3.2. Okay, so this one, right, guys? Wait, let me see. Okay, so 10.46 down here, right? Dia sama. Okay, BD equal to CD. So 10.46. And then, okay. Wait, 6 ni datang dari mana? Wait guys. Let me see where they get the 6. 10.46 times sin. 6 ni datang dari mana? Wait guys. Let me see, is there anything wrong in the question? 6.8 square minus 6 square. Macam mana boleh dapat yang ni? Okay, this question, right? Can use cos? Nope, cannot use. Tak boleh. Okay, this question I feel like not enough information lah guys. Dia tak bagi informasi yang cukup soalan ni. I rasa lah. Okay, I feel like that. If AB parallel to CD, then ABD equal to BDE. E tu kat mana? Where is E guys? Where you get E? Oh, BDC. ABD equal to BDC. If AB parallel to CD. But you cannot assume like that. Tak boleh anggap macam tu. Okay, because question never say AB and CD parallel. Okay, so you cannot assume like that. Okay, guys. So memang that assumption is out. Okay, so yeah. Wait, guys. Let me just try to think and see for a while. Sin 55. DM. I think this question not enough info lah guys. Dia tak cukup. I feel like this question got some problem for the last part. The angle part. Okay, I feel like not enough information. Okay, you guys just keep this question lah. Okay, jangan lihat yang ni. Okay, because I feel like the answer scheme also I don't understand. Saya tak faham macam mana dia dapat macam tu. Okay, it doesn't make sense, the answer scheme over here. Okay, so I think you guys just leave the question lah. Okay? Okay guys, boleh? So you just stop until C lah. Okay, jangan lihat yang D. Okay, because D is like confusing a bit. Okay? Alright. So, are you clear with the lesson today? Can? So basically we discussed already lah most of the question. Okay? So yeah. File ni share dekat group tak? Yes, saya akan kongsi file ni. Kamu boleh PM guys nombor saya kalau nak file. If you guys want the file, you can PM the number over here. Okay? Pin. So you guys can see.